Business Central Telemetry. Getting started with application insights. Business Central emits telemetry data for various activities and operations on tenants and extensions. Monitoring telemetry gives insight into activities and tenant health, so you can analyze operations and diagnose problems that affect performance and, ultimately, impact business. This video shows how to enable Business Central to emit telemetry data to an Azure Application Insights resource. We'll create an Application Insights resource in the Azure portal. Configure Business Central environments for admitting telemetry. For Business Central Online, we'll use the Tenant Admin Center. For on-premises, we'll use PowerShell commandlets. Finally, we'll configure our Business Central app in the app.json manifest file. Let's jump right in and create a resource. We have an Azure subscription, and in the Azure portal, we'll search for Application Insights. On the Application Insights page, we'll choose Create, and then enter some details about our subscription and resource group, and provide a name for the resource. We can choose between a workspace-based Application Insights or a classic Application Insights resource. The workspace-based Application Insights stores the data in the log analytics and enables all features in Azure Monitor. Depending on our needs, we can choose either one. For this video, we'll choose Classic. Now we'll choose Review and Create, and then Create. Here's our newly created Azure Application Insights Resource Overview page. We'll choose Go to Resource to view the details. At the top right, there's an identifier called Instrumentation Key. We'll need this key to be able to write data to Application Insights, so we'll copy it by clicking the copy icon next to the value. We can enable Application Insights on an environment or extension level. This video focuses primarily on enabling Application Insights for an environment, but will also briefly show how to configure the app.json manifest file for an extension. Let's configure our Business Central Online environment to emit telemetry to our Application Insights resource. In our Tenant Admin Center, we'll choose the environment and click Application Insights Key. This opens a dialog where we'll paste the instrumentation key we copied from the Azure portal. Saving the instrumentation key will restart the environment, which stops all user and background sessions, so we should probably do this at a time when this will not impact our users, for example, after working hours. It takes around 5 minutes for the environment to get back online. After the instrumentation key is saved, the value is displayed in the Environment Details section in the Tenant Admin Center, and the environment will emit telemetry to Azure Application Insights. If we have many environments to administer, we might use the Administration Center API to set Application Insight keys. We won't cover that here, but if you're interested, you can read about it in our documentation. Using the API will also restart the environment, so we should be careful about deciding when to do it. We can also use Application Insights if our environment is on-premises in a public or private cloud. In that case, we'll use PowerShell commandlets. For environments running in single-tenancy mode, we'll use the set nav serve configuration commandlet. For environments running in multi-tenancy mode, we'll use the mount nav tenant commandlet. As of Business Central 2020 Release Wave 2, we can also enable Application Insights on a per extension basis. We add the instrumentation key to the extension's manifest, the app.json file. When the extension is installed in an environment, telemetry will begin to flow to the Application Insights resource. And that's it. To learn more about partner telemetry in Azure Application Insights, visit aka.ms/BC Telemetry. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about using telemetry with Business Central, we also have videos about using standard Power BI reports to analyze performance and triage errors and troubleshoot using Jupyter Notebooks.